Welcome back. By now, you know that purpose is not about you, it is also about how you treat others. Did you know the best leaders are not the ones who boss people around, but the ones who serve? Today, you will learn that leadership is really about helping others grow while staying true to your purpose. Module 10. Purpose in Leadership and Service. Think of your favorite superheroes. Most of them are not leaders because they are the strongest. They are leaders because they put others first. Leadership is not about being the loudest or the bossiest. Leadership is about influence, using your gifts to guide and inspire others. And the secret to great leadership? Service. Here's how leadership and service connect. 1. Leaders serve first. A real leader asks, "How can I help?" Not, "What do I get?" 2. Leaders inspire others. They do not push people down, they lift them up. 3. Leaders protect values. They make choices that help everyone, not just themselves. 4. Leaders set an example. People follow what you do, not just what you say. Key truth: leadership is not about position, it is about purpose and service. Reflection and journaling. 1. Who in your life is a leader you admire? Why? 2. How can you be a leader at home, school, or with friends by serving them? 3. Write one way you can lead by example this week. And now we have come to the end of Module 10, Purpose in Leadership and Service. For further study resources, check the Marketplace store on the Skulearn.com website to get Skulearn merchandise and books for further studies. You can also visit the Coaches and Counselor Hub to book appointment with coaches and counselors for guardians. View the Role Models Inspiration Hub for inspirations. See you in the next module. Stay tuned and don't go anywhere.